check out one of Orlando's newest apartment communities. They have a beautiful lobby bar and cafe opening soon. Expansive, gorgeous lobby to greet your guests in style. A beautiful, brand new construction, so you're the first in these units. They have studios all the way up to 3 bedrooms, floor-to-ceiling windows, beautiful city views, in-unit washer-dryer, the storage closet. It's lovely out on the balcony. Stainless steel appliances, beautiful hardwood floors, floor-to-ceiling windows in every single room. You can rent these apartments with a full apartment, or you can actually rent by the home to still be able to access all of the wonderful amenities. 24-hour fitness center, state-of-the-art, so you can get rid of your gym membership. This is probably the best part for me. Wi-Fi lounge and meeting rooms. Basically, you can have a wonderful spot for networking, co-working, meeting space. Absolutely fantastic, and it's so much room. Soon coming up, they're also going to have a poolside restaurant and lounge, Saltwater rooftop pool, stage, events coming up, so much in this wonderful building. So if you're interested and want to check this out, they have a free month's rent available. So 1 free month, go ahead and contact me to schedule